that not dangerous?
It's a non-venomous snake.
Correct, but it can bite you.
Yeah, it can bite. I can show you the bite marks on my head. He bit me this morning.
Okay.
Now this is the spotted bush snake.
I come closer and I come to you.
God, they can't hurt you. I promise you guys. I won't let a goat come to you unless I throw him on you. You're not scared of snakes.
And the Oscar goes through it. Come, you're not scared. Come.
They do bite.
They don't bite.
Yes,
I checked this thing. Hey,
Whoa, are those dangerous?
yeah, they're dangerous. But she's a gentle giant. She's a female. Yeah. She's also a rescue. She was, when there was a bit of fires up there, she got a little bit of fire burns. And that's about a year ago, and she's completely healed from it. Don't grab the tail. Don't grab the tail. Touch here with my hands on that.
It's really
She's
soft.
smooth, eh?
No, never.
Touch, go.
No, it's good in cotton gamma. No, never.
I'll show you guys something very funny when I get to my other snakes, my other babies.
Jack, can you also hold it?
Huh?
Can you also hold it?
No, I like to go close. I don't like to touch.
Where are you going? Hold it gently. And if it wants to go around your neck, let it go.
Way too far.
Look at the camera.
I wanted to show you something.
That's the female, this is the male.
Only the females can
This is called snake male. This is one of the most common pet snakes around the world. You can take it. Oh no.
Hey, don't come this way, my guy. Don't come this way. Don't tell me how to touch you.
The guy is spoiling around my arm here. Oh, that's awesome. This is constrictors. This one can kill me actually. That's a thing.
Why? How do you like that? Is it your parents?
As long as I've got this under control, I can control it.
You're like,
Is that how?
oh my goodness, it's strong.
But it's running so hard next time.
Yeah. No,
It's like wrapped around my
this is actually
This is the snake for you.
just calm down. Eh? If you work with these things, you must be calm and move slowly. Eh?
Can I hold anything?
Yeah, release.
But not when you
Yeah, this is what's good.
Tiana, you can't drop him, mate. You'll hurt
That's
him.
from a monitor. Big monitor like this that are already in the house. As I hold it, he twists his body around and just pulls in the rope.
Ah, yeah, right. Do you have names for them?
Give it to Sianda.
Oh, you want to hold it quickly?
We bought last tables for latitude and standing.
Never the first of never and then the big one. Nah, so
Alright, here comes one of my favorite non-winners. The Western Reptile breed. Yeah, it's a very beautiful snake, especially with the bluish colors on it. On this snake, I won't let you guys come closer to touch it because this thing is very jittery. Jittery. So it will strike at any movement. That's not. That's why you'll even if I move around it, I'll move slowly. They do bite it.
If Sonia touches it, I'll touch it.
ah, so next
I make the deal with you.
Yeah, girl, so yeah.
That's a nice.
Yeah, so
That's a pattern. Yeah, it feels squirrely. It feels squirrely because she's going into shape. You'll see her colors is not actually that.
So guys,
I'm not gonna fail.
I might.
Just put your hands out.
Yeah, Carl, you can do it.
Put your hands out nicely. There you go.
Don't drop it, please.
I won't.
Carl again. But the cat is freaking out.
If I pee, it's your guys' fault. Now the head is coming this side.
Don't worry about the
No,
head.
I can't.
Just, Sonia, chill. Sonia, just put your hands out like this together. I'm really going to put them slightly on you.
You're gonna take it.
Yeah, just put your hands out. Is it okay?
No, I'm sorry.
I'll hold him one side, you hold the one side.
Okay.
How's that sound? And then hold his head this side, you grab that side, take it.
This full size.
That's full size.
But is it big enough to?
Shine necklace.
This snake is way too small to swallow.
Give it to me.
I'm not going to suggest you put it around your neck. Look, they're very curious. The snakes are very curious. They like seeing observing what's going on around them. I don't know if you're going to open the back.
There she is.
I am holding it or it's holding me.
Oh yes, thank you very much. That's all.
This is constricted.
It's that she's just looking. It's curious.
She's curious, that's all. She's looking around. She's not used to the environment around her.
Okay, Kyle.
Yes.
You play.
Touch it. You can take it to him.
Right.
We have the brave latitude students, and then we have those.